So Dad, what do you have to say with you? Huh? What you gotta say?
I ain't saying nothing.
Not saying nothing?
That ladder or that fire?
This is great. Kinda.
How much?
I'm not taping too much because it would take way too long to upload.
I used to be a firefighter, you believe that shit? I don't get more.
I don't know if I'm
what are we doing now?
Yeah, I don't know if I'm recording in HD. I hope not. That takes way too long to freaking process. I hate it. I don't trust you. What are you guys gonna do?
I'm gonna go out on the roof.
Oh, great.